Okay, it's recording.
Sexy for my shirt.
Wait, you gotta back up a little.
Sexy for my shirt. I'm high. She's high.
Time, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh god, I don't even know what I'm doing.
Oh god, hi America, I love you. I love you. My buttcock's showing.
I think your dad saw my underwear.
Yeah, me too.
When I got out of the car.
He was checking you out.
Ew!
Oh god, I can't even get up.
Yeah.
I can't walk, Kara. You can't walk.
Eat them.
No! Let me try. She's soggy.
What's in with the soda?
Oh, we should put it in the microwave.
Oh, yeah! That one.
No, but that one has the fries and soda.
Oh, you know what? We can put grapes in the microwave. Do you have grapes? Probably not.
Yeah, let me find out. Grapes. No grapes. We can use meat. You want to shove some meat in it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get my condom out.
Ugh. There's some meat here.
This is
Oh,
good
let's
stuff.
try some salad.
Okay.
Salad's old one.
Pull up your
Sorry.
pants.
Sorry.
Salad. How about we do a meal?
Alright, some salad. How about some turkey?
Yeah.
Some mayonnaise?
Some salsa.
Salsa. What about some carrots? They're all frozen.
How about some creamer?
Yeah, creamer. Alright, is this the nasty kind? Yeah, I hate eggnog.
Ew.
And then here's a carrot.
Okay.
There's some turkey. Here, let's use beef. Ready? We're gonna make like a taco salad. Taco salad.
Here, you put the stuff in while I hold it open for you.
Here, we have to stretch. Oh, there's already a carrot in there.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you have to make it, you know?
Do you want me to blow it up first and then let you? No, that won't work.
No, you have to like make it all rolled out like that.
Alright.
Ready? Alright, let's put some lettuce up in here. What was that?
My phone. I got a text.
Ew. Okay, here's some lettuce. Shove the lettuce in there. Alright, some beef.
Put the beef in there.
I'm gonna get some beef up in there.
Let me put the lettuce more down.
Some beef.
So you can put
Here's
more beef.
just a chunk of beef.
Yeah, it looks like weed.
It does actually. Maybe it is weed. Some eggnog.
Creamer.
Eggnog creamer. There it goes. Oh.
Alright.
Yeah.
Now
Wait,
you gotta
show the audience. Show the audience.
This is our transformation of a carrot, lettuce,
a carrot,
and
some
beef,
lettuce,
and eggnog.
beef and eggnog. Go. Blow it up.
You gotta blow it up.
Oh, fine. Here.
Hold the camera. The battery's about to die on it. Does it smell gross?
Oh, yes. Alright, let's put it in the microwave.
Alright, we gotta tie it.
Tie it. Put it in the microwave.
She's tying it
So I can put it in the
so
microwave.
she can put it in the microwave. Ooh, I'm so high right now, dude.
Oh god, I know. I never felt like this before.
Jeremy's calling.
Ew.
Hello?
Deny him.
Hello?
We're having condom fun.
Shut up, hello.
Look at this.
Put it in the microwave. Go.
Look at it. Look.
Okay,
You guys see the carrot, the eggnog, the lettuce.
Shut up. Go.
Alright.
So yeah, what's up?
We have to videotape this.
Huh?
Look.
Okay.
Perfect fit. Perfect fit. Close it.
How long? 30 seconds?
30 seconds.
Okay. Hang on, okay?
Let's watch.
I want to see it if it blow up. Oh. Did you see that? Oh! Wow! Look at that. Ooh, look at all that food. Look at all that. Look at all that mess.
Hello?
Look at it. I don't even know how I feel right now. Let's make out. Let's make out. Camera.
Yeah, so what are we doing?
Nothing, you bitch.
Shut up. Hello? Yeah.
Picture time. Picture time. Picture time. Turn the light. Oh, I just burped. Why isn't the light turning on? I got it.
No, I didn't call you
This is the greatest video ever. I'm a high as a motherfucker. Motherfucker.
It won't even let go. Like, you have to do it like this, so they see you.